I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to get a folder up and running, and I'm going to talk a little bit about how organizing files can be done in ways that are helpful. I'm on a Mac here, so things might change a little bit if you're on Windows, but mostly things are where you look for them. If I'm in Visual Studio Code and I don't have anything open, this is what that screen will look like, and I can use this open folder to get a folder started. Oftentimes I already have something open though, and so what I need to do is to go to File, and I can do an open location. That's the QuickTime menu, sorry about that. I can do File and Open, and that's gonna let me work within this window right here, and you're going to see that one of the options is a new folder. When you go to organize your files, I recommend having one for this class, and then within that a folder for maybe each section, so you can see that I've got like a chapter 0 here, and so, or you could do it just by project, but those start to get pretty complicated to find. They get a little bit like a rat's nest pretty quick. So if you number them, that can be helpful. So let's say I wanted to do this within Python. I can click New Folder, and that's what I did there. I should talk about the steps I'm taking. New Folder, and I could say Chapter 1, and then the project name. So Demo Folder might be what I'm doing. And I say Create. And now I've got a folder there, and I can open it. And then it's going to change what's on in Visual Studio Code. Right here is the folder. I can use this icon to create a new file. And if I want to create subfolders from here, that's pretty easy to do just with that. But by opening a separate folder for each project, I don't get confused about exactly where files belong. So I can go here and say demo.py, and then I can go ahead and now we are working in this folder. Notice that there's this circle here that indicates that this file has not been saved. I can use Command S, Control S in Windows to save that file, and that goes away. When I make changes, if I say name equals input, what is your name? You'll notice that that circle also exists over here in the list of open files. And as you open new files, they demo2.py, they show up here. So these are the open editors, and down here is the current folder. And so I can just do a quick look down there and see which ones have not been saved. It's not an uncommon problem that people are running files that haven't been saved, and that creates some problems. If you have multiples and you just want to save them all, you can go to File and Save All, and that'll take care of that. I think that's about all I've got for you. If I wanted to change folders, I could just go File, not Open Workspace, I'm sorry. I don't use the workspaces in code at this point. File, Open, I can use Command up arrow to get to a different spot, maybe create a new folder, Chapter 1, Demo 2, Create. Now I've got a new folder I'm working with that's brand new. So that should get you through the workflow pretty well.